Yeah, throw up.
Ref! Ref, go foul! Ref, go foul!
No, Dad's ref and official and recording.
He's...
Alright, go. He's here to be here to have fun, to have fun.
What's he chewing on?
Nothing.
Move
Me and the
buckets,
bro. He usually doesn't make anything. Alright, come on.
Far. I can't be on his side, because that's his side.
No, it's not. You can be on my side.
Just don't step on him.
Come on, Nikki, we got this. Yeah! Get blocked by James!
I feel like Nike needs to move, bro.
Oh, Nikki. No, Nikki's chilling. Nikki's chilling.
What?
Yeah, that's your shift for it.
What'd I do?
What I have to do.
Nike's kind of a free throw
What I
line.
have to do.
All I do is win against you. Crossed. Step back.
He must have something. What does he have?
I don't know what he has. Yeah, he has nothing.
He's chewing on something. Oh, he just spit it out. What is that?
We are so lucky. What is this?
I don't know, but you better put it somewhere. You found it in your room.
I think it...
Ooh, ooh.
I could block you if I wanted to right now.
Okay. Boom. 2 in a row, baby. Who's winning? Who's winning? Me.
Yeah, but who's gonna win?
Who's
Me.
gonna win? Me.
I'm like that, boy.
2.
Stop yucking like that, boy. It's gonna end well. Bad boy. Rick. Oh, man.
You shouldn't be talking.
It's got the fire.
You shouldn't be talking. I'm in the middle of a game. It's 32.
Oh, like you're gonna lock me down now.
Yeah, get blocked.
It wasn't blocked.
3,
Use your eyes. It wasn't blocked.
3.
Watch out.
Dad, can you block?
He can put his hand up, but he can't block.
Alright, now hands down. Wait. It's gonna make it.
You shoot the ball. We only have 2 minutes, bro. Because I'm only doing a 2-minute video.
You're already past that.
Watch your glasses.
I know.
Bro, that doesn't count.
Check it up. You whine like that again, I'll send you to bed. Oh, the action's getting hot.
Nice shot.
Alright.
3 to 4. 3 to 4. Man, why are the Knicks cooking, Loki?
Well, the Knicks are better. The Knicks are better.
Yo! Karma!
Oh. Time out.
Timeout on the court. Green.